Alright guys, today I'm up here at the old military Air Force base here in Clark once again, and I'm up here at the parade field up here. So got the kids here today. They're over at the park playing, and I'm just going to take a stroll around the parade field here. There's some monuments here to check out. Some of the guys that were here before Pinatubo. There's a couple of you guys out there that, you want to see how it looks now and compared to how it was when you were here before. But that's what I'm going to do today, and get my exercise in. They got a nice big trail that goes around the parade field here, so that's what I'm doing today, guys. All right. Alright guys, yeah, like I said, they have this nice little path here that goes around the parade field here. I actually set my walking step, my exercising program I have on my phone to see actually how many miles or how long it takes to walk around here. But I mean, you can see they have people here that actually clean up the park area. They keep it nice, they keep it clean, no litter, which is nice. But like I said, this is right inside, the Clark, the old Clark Air Force Base, open to the public, and it looks like a really big, nice park here. I've driven through here multiple times, but never stopped. And sun's out today, got a nice breeze, so I hope that doesn't affect the volume, pick up all the wind breeze. But you can see the trail here. It starts, I'm actually on the yellow part of it. I call it the yellow brick road. But anyways, it looks like it's yellow, blue, red, and white. Or yellow, blue, and red so far. Check this out, guys. Free Wi-Fi. No littering. Fines of 1,000 pesos. No drinking of liquor. Fine of 5,000 pesos. So, they like to keep this park clean. I wish they had more of these signs at some of these parks. Like I said, there's a lot of beautiful parks in this area, and this is one of them. Just seen this sign here. Evidently the path that goes around is a rubberized jogging path, and they have restrictions to keep it clean, keep it safe, so they don't have to keep maintaining it. Even got a nice tennis court here. Looks like there's 3 courts. Looks like they possibly do some, I don't know, competitions here. I mean, they got the stand set up for, I don't know what you would call it in tennis, like a line judge. But yeah, they even have a nice tennis court here. Got a stage set up here on the parade field. Like I said, I really don't know what goes on here. I've only been through here a few times. But today's one of those days I wanted to come. Like I said, the kids wanted to come play at the park, and I'm just strolling around, checking things out, and showing you guys up here. Nice big parking lot here. You want to park your car here, park it here. They even have a security officer in that little shed right there. So nothing happens to your car, nobody breaks in, nobody vandalizes anything. Another thing they have here, placed throughout the park, maybe, I don't know, maybe every 50 yards or so, they have these little bench areas here that you can sit down and take a break. If you get tired, if you get hot, just sit down and hang out. Now these buildings here, I'm going to pan through here. I'm actually going to walk by some of these buildings here. These appear to be old barracks here that have been redone and modernized. I think some of them, actually quite a few of these here, are actually businesses inside of them. I don't know if anybody actually lives in here on a permanent resident, you know, but like I said, a lot of them are just businesses through here. I don't know, maybe some of you guys that are familiar with the old Clark Air Force Base here might know what these buildings are. If you do, leave a comment down below. But that's what they appear to be to me. Alright guys, yeah, so I just came out of City Hall. I went over there and talked to the program director in City Hall there. Big historian buff. Actually setting something up with him probably within the next week or so to go inside City Hall. A lot of old photos in there of Clark Air Force Base here. A lot of history things in there that I plan to check out, but we're just going to keep on strolling around the park today, check out some more things. So pretty neat in there. I'll definitely be filming in there. Now, one of the things he did tell me that the buildings here, they're their old barn house. They call them the barn house buildings, and from what he told me is he said that's where the officers' quarters were. They stayed in the old barn houses here. They didn't tear them down. The only thing they actually did was clean them up, paint them, but they're still the old structures of what it was, you know, when they were first built. But anyways, they're called the barn houses. Another one of the barn houses here that's been converted into a Japanese grill. I will definitely have to go check it out. Like I said, there's a lot of businesses inside these barn houses. I think I actually seen a steakhouse. But anyways, there it is, a Japanese grill. I mean, you guys check it out. I mean, this is just beautiful down through this park here. A lot of shade. There are areas where the sun pops out and you know, you're in direct sunlight, but on this side, mostly shade. I don't know what the other side's like. I think from what I'm looking around, looks like there's a lot of trees there to shade you from the sun. But I can't stress enough, this is a beautiful, beautiful park here. Actually, it's not even a park. It's just part of the old Clark Air Force Base. That is the Clark Museum. I plan to come back there and if I can, do some filming inside there. So stay tuned for the Clark Museum vlog. But anyways, that's also on the far end here of the parade field. You guys even have a very well maintained, very clean CR bathroom, whatever you choose to call it. Got a couple guys up in a tree doing some tree trimming, but yeah, they even have a very clean CR, and looks like they even have a security guard there. Now we're on the other side of the parade field. Over there is where the barn houses were, or are. But yeah, we're on the other side of the parade field. As you can see, it's lined with trees, nice shade. Over here, a lot of houses. People's houses that they live in. I mean, they're people's residence. That's on the other side of the parade field. As you can see, the nice houses. Actually, this is the back end of the houses here. But yeah, you see it. Beautiful through here. Alright guys, so I'm standing here, and right behind me is the, I guess it would be the original gates. Prior to the Clark Air Force Base, it was Fort Stutzenberg, something like that. I could be pronouncing it wrong, but this is actually the gate that led into the parade grounds here. From my understanding, from what I was told, it was prior to the Clark Air Force Base. But I'll show you some of the monuments here, and if you want to pause and read some of the plaques, that'd be cool too. But pretty neat. Alright guys, so now I'm at the top end. I would call it the top end of the parade field here. I'm gonna pan down here over my shoulder and show you how big it actually is. But yeah, it's big. Check it out. Right over here are where the barn houses are. Straight ahead is the Clark Museum. Over to the right there is the housing, civilian housing. But you see how big it is. Very big. Alright guys, yeah, from what I'm reading, they're just commemorative plaques for the United States. I'll show you guys the plaques, and if you want to pause it and check it out, feel free to do so. But yeah, that's what I'm reading here. Commemorative plaques in honor of the United States and some of the things that went here when the United States was here. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to wrap this one up. I do plan to come up here. There's a lot of stuff up here on Clark that I've yet to check out. Like I said, I only drove around here a few times, so I've only seen things. I've never actually got out, walked around and checked things out. Maybe what I'll do is I'll start just a little, I don't know, a little series on Clark and some of the things up here in Clark. Things from the old and things from the new. But like I said, I'm going to wrap this one up. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, thumbs down. Choice is always yours. And leave some comments and I'll get back to you. But we'll talk to you later.